Here we have the DeLonghi Nescafé Dolce Gusto coffee machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. And this one. Then press the on and off button. It will start flashing red. Once it stops flashing, the coffee machine is ready to use. You can lift this lever, then open here and put your capsule here. Close the lever and then you can adjust your coffee size. Stronger coffee, shorter, or longer coffee. It's green now, ready to use. You can place your mug here and then push this to the right if you want hot water, or to the left if you want cold water.